If you are a digital artist using the Procreate app, looking for a way to learn digital abstract art in a nurturing and fun environment, this free membership is for you. I'm Elena Jensen, digital artist and Procreate brush maker, and my goal is helping you to discover your creative voice and learn to express yourself intuitively through digital art. I'm really happy to introduce you to my free membership for Procreate artists. So what's included in this membership? A collection of free Procreate brushes and palettes, templates, educational content, and other digital art resources. Also included is all of my free educational content, most of which is already available on my YouTube channel. However, in this membership, it's now organized in a course format so that you can mark the videos as complete when you finish them, and there are sometimes relevant resources available to download right on the video page. Also included is an ongoing monthly art challenge starting from October 2022 and onwards, designed to help you create digital intuitive abstract art with prompts, visual cues, and video tutorials every month. Also included is a community of other digital intuitive artists, including a Facebook group, the course comment section, and an optional chance to have your art featured on my website and newsletter. So there are many paid memberships out there, which are great, but I really wanted to make this one free because I wanted it to be as inclusive as possible. In many of my video tutorials, I do use my paid Procreate brushes, which are not included in the membership. However, I always want to encourage you to experiment with the brushes that you already have. And so I do think that you will find lots of educational content that is relevant for you, whether you have any of my paid brushes or not. I'm really happy that you're here, and I hope that you'll find these resources helpful in your art journey. I look forward to getting to know you and to seeing your unique artwork. See you in the membership.